Ever wonder why some text messages on Android feel more like WhatsApp or iMessage? Photos look clearer, you can see when someone is typing, and messages send over the internet instead of SMS. Yep, that's RCS messaging. And in this video, I'll show you how to turn it on or off on a Samsung Android phone. Let's go. So what is RCS chat or RCS messaging? RCS stands for Rich Communication Services. It's basically the modern upgrade of SMS and MMS. With RCS, you can send high-quality photos and videos, see typing indicators, read receipts, and chat using Wi-Fi or mobile data, all inside the default Google Messages app. All right, now let's enable it. First, open the Google Messages app. Then tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, select Messages Settings and tap on General. Here, you'll see RCS Chats. Tap on it. To turn it on, simply tap Turn on RCS Chats. After that, make sure both SIM cards show the status Connected. And that's it. RCS is now active on your Samsung phone. If you ever want to turn it off, just tap the slider again until it's disabled. Super easy. Now your regular SMS just got a serious upgrade. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple Android tips like this. And tell me in the comments, are you Team SMS or Team RCS? See you in the next video.